Hey everyone, Salesforce Shorts here. In this video, we're just going to talk about how to create a task from Apex code. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into setup here, go to dev console. Then I'm going to open up a new file, Apex class, and just call this create task. All right, cool. So we've got our Apex class. So first thing we want to do from here is create a public static void, and we'll just call this create account task method. Okay, so similar to what we did in our previous videos with the email, we need to put in a few parameters here. So I'm just going to put in the account ID, string subject, and let's put in a date for due date. Okay. So next step would be to create a task. We just need to initiate it here. So I'm just going to initiate a new task. Then let's use that. And now from here, we can select our subject to be subject and new task dot what ID will be equal to the account ID. And then the only other thing we need is our activity date. So new task dot activity date will be equal to due date. All right, sweet. And then we just need to insert our new task. Save that. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So next step would be to just open up debug window, remove all of that stuff. So from here, what we want to do is let's get our task dot method name, so class name dot method name, and then get our parameters in there. So inside of the parameters, we want to put in our account ID, subject, and due date. All right, sweet. So now all we need to do is create our variables. So for account ID, I'm just going to name, or actually, yeah, we probably need to find a real account ID for this one. String subject, here we can put whatever we like. So I'll just put in account task created from Apex. And then last but not least, our due date. So let's put that in. And for this, we'll probably, there's a few different things we can use here. We'll probably just use, let's use today, and then maybe add a few days onto it. So let's go today.add days and put 7 in there. Okay, cool. So we've got all of that stuff. All we need is an account ID. So I'm just going to go back to Salesforce, go to an account, and let's use our Salesforce one. All right, so we don't have any tasks here, so I'm just going to copy the ID from the top, go back to dev console, put it in there, and yeah, that should be it. And yeah, just one more thing, we don't have to use the same parameter names as we have here, so I can just call this ACC ID if I wanted to, and just update it there too, and then that should work as well. I'm going to hit execute. All right, sweet. So we've got a couple of successes there. Let me refresh this. All right, sweet. So we've got a task. Open this up. So yeah, we've got a due date 7 days from now, which is perfect. Created 24th. Yeah. So if you wanted to add some other fields in there, you can always do that. Just add in name, same way that we did it here. You can just go new task.name, put it in there, and then just add it there. Yeah, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and check out our other videos. Thanks.